How to prepare current affairs for civil service examination. How to prepare current affairs for civil service examination. 1. Start early. Current affairs is a dynamic and vast subject, and it's essential to start preparing for it as early as possible. Keep yourself updated with national and international news regularly. 2. Choose the right sources. There are numerous sources available to get information on current affairs, including newspapers, magazines, online news portals, and news channels. Choose reliable and reputed sources that provide accurate and unbiased news. 3. Make notes. While reading newspapers and magazines, make a habit of taking notes of important news and events. Use a notebook or digital device to keep track of the latest developments in various areas, such as politics, economics, science, technology, and culture. 4. Follow a schedule. Plan your daily and weekly schedule to cover all the current affairs topics systematically. Allocate time for reading news, making notes, and revising the topics regularly. 5. Focus on analysis. Apart from just knowing the news and events, it's crucial to understand their context and implications. Analyze the news and connect them with the broader picture of the country and the world. 6. Practice answer writing. Civil service exams require a good understanding of current affairs, and you need to be able to articulate your knowledge effectively. Practice answer writing on various topics and time yourself to improve your writing speed. 7. Revise regularly. Revise your notes and practice papers regularly. This will help you retain the information and increase your confidence in answering the questions. 8. Participate in group discussions. Participate in group discussions with like-minded aspirants to exchange ideas and opinions on various current affairs topics. This will help you broaden your understanding and improve your communication skills. In summary, preparing for current affairs for civil service exams requires a systematic approach and consistent effort. Keep yourself updated with reliable sources, make notes, analyze the news, and practice writing answers regularly. With proper preparation and dedication, you can score well in the current affairs section of the civil service exams. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.